Today topic is osmotic solution. Meaning of osmotic solution is some Parashari villain. Here we write topic isotonic solutions. Topic is isotonic solutions. Isotonic solutions means some Parashari villain. Definition of solution isotonic solutions we write the solutions having same osmotic pressure at we write the solutions having same osmotic pressure at same temperature are called isotonic solutions. The definition of isotonic solutions is the solutions having same osmotic pressure at constant temperature are called isotonic solutions. Here we write these are also called isosmotic solutions. These are also called isosmotic solutions. Now we write 2 points for objective question. Here we write isotonic solutions have no same osmotic pressure. Isotonic solutions have no same osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure, not pressure. It is wrong. Isotonic solutions have no same osmosis. Not osmotic pressure. It is wrong. It is correct. Isotonic solutions have no same osmosis. Second point is isotonic solutions have same molar concentration. We write isotonic solutions have same molar concentration. Molar concentration of isotonic solutions are equal. This indicate. Now next topic we write hypertonic solution. Next topic is hypertonic solution. If two solutions have different osmotic pressure, one is called hypertonic solution and other is called hypotonic solution. So we define what is hypertonic solutions. The solution, we write the solution having higher osmotic pressure than, we write the solution having higher osmotic pressure than some other solution. We write the solution having higher osmotic pressure than some other solutions is called hypertonic solution. We write definition: the solution having higher osmotic pressure than some other solutions is called hypertonic solution. मान लीजिए दो या दो से अधिक सॉल्यूशन है, उनमें से जिस सॉल्यूशन का ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर हाई होगा उसी को क्या पढ़ते हैं, हाइपरटोनिक सॉल्यूशन। हाइपरटोनिक सॉल्यूशंस को हिंदी में अति पराशरी विलयन कहा जाता है। फिर से समझ लीजिए, दो सॉल्यूशंस हो, उसमें से जिस सॉल्यूशन का ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर ग्रेटर अर्थात हाइयर रहेगा वही जो है हाइपरटोनिक सॉल्यूशन कहा जाएगा। उसी को हमने डिफिनीशन में इंग्लिश वर्ड में लिखा है, द सॉल्यूशंस हैविंग हायर ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर देन सम अदर सॉल्यूशंस इज कॉल्ड हाइपरटोनिक सॉल्यूशन। नाउ वी राइट अदर टॉपिक इज hypotonic solution. It is opposite of hypertonic solution. अब इस सॉल्यूशन में जिस सॉल्यूशन का, जब दो सॉल्यूशनों में जिस सॉल्यूशन का ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर लोअर होगा उसी को क्या कहेंगे, hypotonic solution. We write definition: the solution having lower osmotic pressure than some other solutions is called hypotonic solution. We write definition of hypotonic solution: the solution having lower osmotic pressure than some other solutions is called hypotonic solution. We write formula related to osmotic pressure, the same solutions, these are called isotonic solution. We write here formula. Formula 1 is pi 1 is equal to pi 2. Pi 1 indicates osmotic pressure of first solution. Pi 2 indicates osmotic pressure of second solution. If osmotic pressure of two solutions are equal, the solutions are called isotonic solution. Therefore, we write pi 1 is equal to pi 2. It is related to isotonic solution. We write in isotonic solution, point B, isotonic solution have same molar concentration. Therefore, we write C1 is equal to C2. C1 indicate molar concentration of first solution and C2 is indicate molar concentration of second solution if both solutions are isotonic. We explain formula third. N1 upon V1 is equal to N2 upon V2. N upon V is equal to C. It is another form of concentration. This indicates number of moles of first solution and this indicates volume of the first solution. This indicates number of moles of in second solution and this indicates volume of the second solution. We explain and write trick 4. W1 upon M1 into V1 is equal to W upon M2 into V2. W1 is equal to mass of first solute in the first solution. M1 indicate molar mass of the solute of first solution. W2 indicate mass of solute in the second solution. M2 indicate molar mass of the solute in the second solution. V1 indicate volume of the first solution and V2 indicate volume of the second solution. Now we explain numerical which is very famous. Numerical first was asked in Bihar School Examination Board 2012 and 2018. ये बहुत फेमस न्यूमेरिकल है ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए. इस ये क्वेश्चन IIT से रिलेटेड है. इसको दिल्ली कंबाइंड इंजीनियरिंग में भी पूछे हुए हैं. तो इसी को हम एक्सप्लेन करने जा रहे हैं जो इजी मेथड से बनाएंगे. ए 5% solution. We write a 5% solution of cane sugar. Cane sugar. Molecular weight of cane sugar is equal to 342. Is isotonic with 1% solution of substance X. The molecular weight ऑफ एक्स इज। देखिए यही क्वेश्चन है, ये 2 बार पूछे हुए हैं। अब देखिए क्या कहता है। एक सॉल्यूशन है केन शुगर अर्थात चीनी का, वो 5% है ना। केन शुगर का मोलिकुलर मास जो है चाहे मोलिकुलर वेट 342 है। यह सॉल्यूशन आइसोटोनिक है। एक सॉल्यूशन है 1% सबस्टांस एक्स का। एक सबस्टांस एक्स है, सॉल्यूट के रूप में एक्स प्रेजेंट है। इसका जो है सॉल्यूशन 1% है। यह आइसोटोनिक है, 5% सॉल्यूशन केन शुगर का। तो कह रहे हैं कि द मोलिकुलर वेट ऑफ एक्स इज, ऑब्जेक्टिव है इस आ रहा है इसीलिए ऐसे लिखा हुआ है। अर्थात एक्स का मोलिकुलर वेट क्या होगा बता पूछ रहा है आप लोगों से। तो देखिए इजी मेथड से बना रहे हैं इसलिए कि ऑब्जेक्टिव पूछ रहे हैं। स्मॉल W1 वी राइट 5 ग्राम। ठीक। V1 इंडिकेट 100 ml, परसेंटेज इज 100 ml. M1 indicate molecular weight of cane sugar which is 342. Therefore, we write 342 gram mole inverse. W2 is equal to 1 gram. Volume V2 is equal to 100 ml. Percentage converted into 100 ml. M2 is equal to what, which indicate molecular weight of substance X. We write formula for, here we write formula W1 upon M1 into V1 is equal to W upon M2 into V2. The value of W1 in the solution is 5 gram. Here we write 5 gram. The value of M1 in solution 342. Here we write 342. The value of V1 in the solution is 100 ml. Here we write 100. Is equal to the value of W2 in the solution is 1 gram. Therefore, we write here 1. Molecular weight of substance X is what? Therefore, we write X2 M2 and volume V2 is 100. These are cut out. We turn 342 upon 5 and M2 upon 1. Therefore, M2 is equal to, we write we divide 342 by 5, we get 342, we get we write molecular weight of X is equal to 68.4 gram mole inverse. Now we write second question which is same as question first, which is homework. Question second is a 5% solution of can sugar. Molar mass is equal to 342 is isotonic with 0.887% solution of urea. Find the molar mass of urea. Answer will be 59.n gram mole inverse. This question is same as question second. Therefore, it is a homework.